Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have GTM installed and the container ID. Now create the event tag. First, choose the tag type, Google Analytics for Event or Universal Analytics, because each sends different parameters. Next, name the tag clearly so you can find it later. Then set the event name and any event parameters like category, action, label. Once done, pick an initial trigger placeholder so the tag is valid. This gets you into the editor, with the core elements ready to configure. Now refine the trigger so the tag fires only when you want it to. Create or edit a trigger. Use click right arrow all elements or just links for clicks, or form submission for forms. Use custom event names for data layer events. Make sure relevant built-in variables are enabled, like click classes or page URL, because triggers depend on them. If the event needs dynamic values, add data layer variables or custom JavaScript variables. Then link those variables to the tag's event parameters, so the analytics tool receives the right data. Finish by testing thoroughly in GTM preview mode. Watch the debug console as you perform the action and confirm the event appears and carries correct parameters in analytics real time. If everything looks good, submit and publish the container. If you don't see events, troubleshoot. Make sure triggers match DOM elements, confirm variables return expected values, and verify the data layer push uses the exact event name. One key tip: clear browser cache or disable extensions that block analytics when tests fail, because blockers often mask correct setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.